Yo, what's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are good, man. This is your boy, Mr. Cool. So yeah, man. We're back again with another video. So firstly, guys, I would like to say thank you for the subscribers. If you are new to this video, please like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. So yeah, man. So today I'm gonna be looking at GBP and ZD. So right now it's a new week. I've been following this pair and it looks like it's gonna move to our direction right now. So yeah, guys, as you know, when I start analyzing, I start from the highest time frame. So I'm gonna be using monthly this time, right? So my highest obviously has to be monthly so that it makes more sense for me to find a solid direction since I'm a swing trader. All right, so looking at this market right now, okay, let me just quickly go online. Looking at this market right now, we can see that we had an uptrend on monthly for the longest time, right? We had an uptrend on monthly for the longest time, and now it just broke out. We had a breakout just here, guys. So obviously, looking at this, since it's a higher time frame, we obviously know that now we are going up. Remember, guys, I'm still on monthly. Now we're going up. It's very simple, guys. You don't have to do a lot, right? So number one, you obviously know that we have a new trend. Now we have a new trend, which is an uptrend that's going on. So our main focus right now, it's going to be us finding buying opportunities, right? So okay, monthly. Now I'm going to move down to weekly. Now I'm moving down to weekly. Okay, let me just do this quickly. Now we just moved down to weekly. So now my main focus is going to be what? My main focus is going to be on daily, right? I'm going to move down to daily. So this is where I'm going to start focusing on my highs and my lows, right? Remember, when you start from the highest to the lowest, right? So now let me just do my high. My lowest should be here, right? So now I'm going to be checking out the strategy that I'm using. If you look closely, guys, remember we're still on lines. We had a double bottom right here, right? We had a double bottom right here. So now obviously as a trader, you know, our market needs to go up, right? But for me to be satisfied, I need to start doing what? Using my strategy, which is my head and shoulder strategy. That makes more sense, right? So as you guys can see here, we had something like this. So guys, for me to be very comfortable at what I'm doing, I need something like this, right? I have my left shoulder, I have my head, I have my right shoulder here, and my target needs to be here, right? My target needs to be here. Remember now, guys, as you guys can see, it has moved up, so I'm late. So my only focus is for me to find an entry at this point, right? So obviously we have our diagonal neckline. We do have our diagonal neckline just here. So now my only thing that I need to find, or I need to at least plot down, is my neckline. Remember, guys, your neckline should be in between. The neckline should be in between. I think from here we sorted, right? So now I'm gonna move back to my candles, right? So on my previous video, guys, if you haven't watched it, please go back, and on the previous one, if you haven't watched it also, please go back to it so that you can understand more of this strategy, right? So yeah, guys, looking at this right now, let me just zoom in so that you guys can have a clarity on what's going on here. So as you guys can see here, we have some sort of this structure, right? Remember, guys, for me to find a solid entry, I need a candlestick that's gonna reject from here, right? So we had this engulfing candlestick that broke up, which is one of our confirmations that now we are moving to the right direction, and now all we're waiting for is a retest, right? So all we're waiting for is a retest. Remember, guys, I'm still on daily, right? So it just makes more sense for me as a swing trader. So now I need to find a solid entry. So with these two candlesticks, for me it's not a solid rejection as yet, right? So now, because of I need to jump on and at least find a solid proper entry, I need to go back to 4 hours, right? Now I'm on 4 hours. So guys, if you look closely, we had an impulse, now we have a correction just here. Let me just go back to my line so it just makes more sense. Now we have a what? Now we have a correction. Guys, it's simple, this thing. I'm not even gonna take forever with this. Now we have what? An impulse, and now we have a correction. With this correction right here, it broke up, guys. It broke up and hit our previous high, right? Our previous high is here. It broke up and hit our previous high from here, right? So for us, it only makes sense for us to jump in with this rejection candlestick after. As soon as this rejects, let me just go to 1 hour, right? So guys, as you guys can see, it broke up. So for me right now, if I was to say, okay, let me just buy, I'll jump in right now. With a solid buy from here. I'll jump in right now with a solid buy from here. And obviously guys, my stop loss should be at least below my zone, right? Immediately just below my zone. And then obviously you have your take profit one from here. For you to make money, guys, remember me, I'm a swing trader. This is 4 hours. For you to make money, you need a solid ratio. I have my 1:2 here, but my overall target should be here. Remember guys, I used a head and shoulders. So for me to respect the market, I need to make sure that my strategy is complete. If my strategy is not complete, then it means my job is not done, right? So my target for me is here. Right? So look at this ratio, guys. 1:8, which is solid money. But obviously we have our take profit one from here. So sometimes you must not be greedy. Remember guys, some other accounts are just not nice like that. So now I'm on 4 hours and this is my target, guys. I'm gonna go back to D1, which is my daily, just to make things clear on how I use this strategy, guys. Remember guys, I started from monthly, looking at this trend. It broke above, we had a downtrend, it broke above. Now we have what? A new high, which is our uptrend, right? Looking at weekly, we have our uptrend. We worked something from there. Remember guys, when you hunt for more buys. If we are going up, we hunt for more buys. We had this head and shoulder strategy. If it was someone else, I could have maybe took my trade around here with this rejection candlestick right here. You understand? Because we had our double bottom. But now, since I can't be chasing a missed trade, I have to find a way. My way is finding my head and shoulder, which is this one, guys. And then now our neckline just approved. Now we have something solid. Looking at 4 hour, we just hit our previous high and it broke up. And what? And now we're waiting for a rejection from here. But for me, I think this is a good buy, guys. A solid one even. So guys, with this channel that I have right now, I think your life might change for the better. As a forex trader, I think you need this channel. And if you're new to this channel, guys, please like and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube. Please go with me, guys. I'm gonna be literally trading the same strategy until you guys understand the steps. You need to follow the rules, you need to follow the steps for you to be sorted, right? I'm gonna be, at least after maybe 10, maybe 5-10 videos, I'm gonna be changing strategies and showing you guys new strategies that I normally use when trading. But for me right now, I'm still comfortable at showing you guys my head and shoulders until you guys are comfortable at knowing when and when not to jump on trades, right? Remember guys, being a swing trader makes more sense because we have other things to do. I can't be always on the market. I'm looking at the charts. For me as a swing trader, it just makes more sense to jump in and just leave it, so that I can focus on other things. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna be long. This is your boy Mr. Cool. I hope this channel makes more sense. I hope it's it's easy for you guys to understand what I'm saying, and just follow the rules, guys. Okay, and please like and subscribe, guys. So yeah, I'm out. Love you guys. Adios.